Okay, I was craving something just like yummy sandwich vibes. So we're gonna do a piece of sourdough bread. We're gonna do a couple tablespoons of Boursin cheese. This is the cranberry pepper. Layer some chicken on there. Here's some cooked apple. I maybe should have put the apple under the chicken, but it's okay. I'm gonna do a drizzle of balsamic. I would love to just like sprinkle arugula on here, but I don't have any in my fridge, so it's as good as it's getting. Need some apple, some chicken, some of the cheese in there. You sure you don't want this, Dallas?
Yeah.
Mmm.